Hello friends, welcome to Live Breezy. This Sunday we are at the Loudon Street region of the Kolkata Metropolis, and it is over here exactly the Nature Study Park is situated. Just at the entrance of the park we found a notice board. Over here it is written that the park remains open from 5 in the morning to 9 a.m. and in the evening the timing is from 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. You can see a raised platform, and from here we can find a pond, a big pond in fact. It's square in shape. It's surrounded by different types of trees. Over here is a nursery of different types of shrubs. And ornamental plants. Here beautiful steps are located to step down to the pond. So different varieties of shrubs you can see right at the sides of the pathway of the park, and there are tall trees as well.
If it falls and drop in, if it not, like breaks again.
It's altogether a different experience to walk down from the side of the pond, looking at different types of greeneries around you, and it's a wonderful feeling to be here. We come right here in the morning and evening to spend some quality time along with friends and family. So once you come down here, you will find here some wonderful sitting spaces. There are ample sitting spaces for the visitors. Ducks, they are having a nice time over here. Here is another zone from here where you can have a view of the pond. Wow, interesting. Let's quickly have another look of the entire setting of the park. There is a pond surrounded with plants and shrubs on all of its sides. There are trees hanging over towards the pond. Here are a few more trees. So we found here an ancient tree, specially protected, and it's a very tall tree with roots popping up all over it, completing one full round of the park. And if you have enjoyed our video, then you may subscribe to our channel for all the future stories and updates. Thank you. See you again next week. Bye. Take care.